you have put in
Yes, in your account.
in your account.
Yes. So next year, how much will that do? Now you got 100 rupees. At the end of the year, how much money will you have?
Maybe 500 or...
No. You will have 105 or maybe 106.
Oh, I would not like those. They are too less. I would like 500.
No, nobody is going to give you 500.
I know that.
Okay.
They will not give.
So they will give you either 104, maybe 105 or 106, depending on the interest rate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then next year, after, okay, at the end of the year, so let's say in January, you deposit 100 rupees. Then after 12 months in December, it will become 105. Okay.
Oh, 105.
Yeah. And then after 1 year, so December, now after one more year, next December, it will become 110. And you get, so you will have earned 10 rupees.
Oh,
and then in 3 years, after 3 years, it will become 115.
Oh, 115.
Yes.
Then 120.
Yeah, exactly. So the longer the time you keep it in the bank, the better it is, right?
Yes, it's better.
Yes. So this is called investment.
Investment.
Yeah. So when you're saving the money for a long period of time, that is called investment.
Okay, investment. Understood, sir. Investment.
Very good. Now, this is a difficult topic, right? So now we'll talk about something easier. All right. Because this topic is really difficult.
Yes, it's for adults.
Exactly. So, okay, now tell me, who's your favorite best friend? Let's talk about your best friend. Who's your best friend?
Aradhya.
Okay, so tell me about her. What do you like about her? What don't you like about her?
About her, I like everything about her. She helped me. We both help each other.
Okay, so one second. You said she helped me, right? So no, she doesn't help. She helps you.
She helps.
She helps, yes.
She helps me.
Yes. Okay.
Do you have any friends, sir?
No, I don't have any friends.
Oh, my father has so many friends.
Okay, very good. Okay, so what do you like about Aradhya?
So, when her birthday came, she gave, what did she give in her birthday?
I don't know.
I forgot that. A pencil.
Pencil?
It was a good pencil, and all the kids in the class use that pencil.
Okay.
And Aradhya go by van because her house is very...
Aradhya what? Aradhya what?
She's a van student. My teacher always say that.
She's a bad student?
Not bad. Whenever when we are going home, so any ma'am will come. I don't know which ma'am will come, and he will say, "Send the van kids."
Send the blankets?
When my teacher said that.
No, I didn't understand, Ritika, what you're saying.
When you don't know, sir, when it's just like a car.
Van.
School van.
School van. Okay, yeah. Okay.
So she always, her house is very far away, and we both can't go to each other's house.
Okay.
Aradhya has many friends, and I also have friends. She has many friends at school, and we both like to talk to each other, and we like to sit together.
Okay. Okay, very good.
friend I have.
Okay, and who is that?
Vedika. Her name.
Vedika. Vedika.
She doesn't do her homework, but because she doesn't do her homework, her mother is sick. That's why she care for her mother.
Oh,
When she go to school, what would I? She will say to me, "I have not completed the homework. Can you please give the maths notebook, English?" So I will have to give her, because when my homework is not completed, she helped me to do my homework. So we both share our tiffin.
okay. You
And
both.
when the recess time comes,
Yeah.
We always run, and if we try to catch each other in the class, but the teachers are there, so we stand in line and talk to each other.
Okay.
So, sir,
Yeah.
when you were young, you went to school, so you must remember your friends.
Yes, I remember my friends.
What are their names?
One's name was Rajarshi, one's name was Sunil,
Oh,
one's name was Nikhil.
you have so many friends, you may have forget their name.
I may have forgotten their name.
I may have forgotten their name.
Yeah, their names.
Names.
Yes.
So, do you remember how many friends do you have? I have 3 or 4.
How many friends you have?
I have 3 or 4. I don't remember.
Who you have? Who are your friends? Aradhya, Vedika, and
Yasmin.
Yasmin. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Gia.